Hello everybody, this is him here from the Fusing Shop, and today I have a special guest. This is Naomi. Say hello, Naomi.
Hi.
And tell everyone what we're going to be doing today.
I'm making glass earrings.
So today's going to be our first glass fusing video, and we're going to show you how to make some really cool earrings.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, so we're going to introduce some glass tools here on how to cut glass. So Naomi's going to explain the two tools that we're going to use today.
Okay, so this is a cutter, right? It's a cutter. This thing you use it to cut the glass. And this is a breaker. And you use it to break the glass in half once you cut it.
Okay, so show us how it's done. I'm going to zoom in. Naomi is selecting a piece of glass that she's going to show us how to score and snap. Okay, let's see what you got.
So first you take your cutter and you...
Hold on, we can't see. I'm going to take it off the tripod. Hold on. So we get a good view of what you're doing.
So first you take your cutter and then you make sure that the tip is on it and you sort of just go hard so it makes a line. And so, I don't know, can you see the line? The line right there.
Yes.
Okay, so after it makes a line, take your breaker, and there's a line there, so you have to...
Wait, let's see.
There's a line right there. So you have to match it up to here, and then just put it on and squeeze it, and it should break. Okay, so now I have to start making the earrings, right?
Yep, so to make the earrings, we have to cut the glass a little bit smaller, into small little chunks, depending on what size earring we want to make. And all we do is just, again, score, make a couple score lines down the glass in different directions, because we want them to be different sizes. Now we're going to break over part for us. Whoops, we forgot one very important thing, which is wearing our safety glasses.
Alright, okay, safety glasses.
There's Naomi's safety glasses. Always important when you work with glass to always wear your safety glasses.
I'm going to cut this now.
And now Naomi is snapping those where I scored the glass into smaller pieces so we could use them to make our earrings. Work over the table, gnomes, so any glass falls onto the table and not onto your lap. There you go. See, look, I've got nice little pieces here.
Okay.
We want to try to get the same size pieces so we have a matching set. So try to get your chunks about the same size. Doesn't have to be perfect.
These are around the same size.
Alright, so we got these three look great. These look about the same size.
These two also.
Alright, yeah, great.
This one's big.
So what I like to do is take a little bit of clear glass and put it on top of our little chunks, our colored chunks, to give the glass some depth and dimension. So Naomi can cut this up into smaller chunks to fit over these little chunks that we cut up.
They probably won't be perfect.
That's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to go get the Kiln shelf paper gnomes. You can continue to cut and to explain.
Okay. just gonna cut some more little lines with this cutter. Whenever you're cutting, you should hear like a sound to tell you that you're cutting it. So if you don't hear the sound, that means you didn't cut it enough or hard enough. This is really pretty. Okay, here's my dichroic piece. So for the dichroics, you have to cut it on the like non-sparkly side. See, this is the sparkly side, and this is the unsparkly side. So you have to cut it on this side. Like you have to cut like this on this side, not on that side. Else it won't cut out. So I'm gonna start making these for earrings.
While Naomi is cutting out the shapes and getting our earrings ready, once we have our pieces ready, we're going to put it on our kiln shelf here. And it's really important when you fuse glass to use this either kiln wash or this kiln liner paper, because if you don't, your pieces will get fused to this plate and they will shatter and they will not be usable. So pretty much what all you have is really easy to use. All you do is put it down on your kiln shelf, and then you put your work right on top of it. Take a quick look at what you did. Right now Naomi is putting our first pair of earrings down on the kiln shelf, and we have a piece of dichroic glass on the bottom and a piece of clear on the top. And we'll leave a little space between them so they could spread out, because these are going to spread out a little bit in the kiln. We're going to be doing a full fuse on these, so they're going to make a nice round shape when they come out.
These ones I'm going to put exactly on.
With this type of work, you can make a ton of little earrings all in one
Like a
shot.
million.
I am going to make some too, because this is just so fun. Oh, you got a lot of nice glass here. I think I'm gonna go, you know what, I want to make blue. I like blue. I got this really nice blue dichroic piece here, and I'm gonna cut a shape of this and
I have to cut more clear.
make my own earrings.
I'm cutting more clear because there's not enough.
Here's the earrings we have done so far. Naomi is saying I should use more than just this blue color, but I think they're just really pretty. So I made a few pairs of that blue because I like blue.
Make it colorful.
Here's the box of dichroic glass. We have quite a selection. And we also have regular fusible glass here too. We got some pretty reds. So maybe this will make a nice pair of earrings too. We got plain solid colors. We got just a whole bunch of different colors to choose from. My favorite is the dichroic though, because it's shiny and metallic. And I just love shiny stuff.
I'm making triangle earrings because
Yeah, Naomi's going to make some triangle ones. I told her they're going to round out, but she wants to try them anyway. We'll see how they come out.
they look cool. Even like they at least look cool beforehand. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think they do look really cool. We'll be back in a minute with an update. We're making good progress. I have now made a purple pair of earrings, which I will show you. Since Naomi doesn't like my blue ones, which I told her she can't wear now.
I didn't even
Here's
have
the purple
these
set
ears,
that I made.
so it doesn't even matter. I'm gonna say get person.
So let's come on down and see how progress is going. Naomi is now cutting some more clear to lay on top of the earrings.
I'm making black so that it matches people's outfits.
Good idea. I like that idea. Gotta think about what's gonna match people's outfits. Here's my favorite blue that I've been using. And Naomi made a pair with this green, this cool green glass, sparkly green. Nice.
Now I'm gonna make white here.
We got to be very careful when we put this in the kiln to not disturb all these little pieces of glass that we're laying out here. So you got to move this very gently into the kiln. Let's take a quick walk over here. Here's the kiln. We have the spacers in this kiln, so this way the kiln shelf does not sit on the bottom here. This is off right now, that's why I can put my hand in here. So this way it's raised up and it gets even heat from all sides rather than sitting on the bottom here and getting stuck. And then making the bottom of the kiln here not so usable. So that is how we're going to move it in once we are finished over here. What?
You forgot to add, what's it called? That you should put it on the same side. You should, what's it called? You should squeeze it, whatever, to break it on the same side that you cut it, not turn it over and make the line that side.
Okay, so what Naomi just said was that you should break on the same side that you score the glass in. Just let me borrow a piece. So I'm just going to score this piece.
I'm putting on gloves for a sec with my hand.
So here's the score line. Let me see if I can get it in the camera. Yep, there it is, right there. So you don't want to break it on this side. You want to break on the side you made the score. And this is pretty big. You don't need the breaker. You can just break it with your fingers and just push up, and it snaps right apart.
I'll make another record. I really want to make this rainbow one. Did you use rainbow one?
I don't know. I use whatever's over here.
There's a rainbow dichroic one.
Oh, I think it might be in the bottom, or it might be on the.
No, but it was on like the top. Oh, see this piece, rainbow.
There's a real rainbow one if you want to use that one.
Yeah, I use that one.
There you go. Got some nice chunks. Making sure I didn't break all these other things too broken. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to this video for more great glass fusing content. It will be coming, guys. It's coming. Maybe with Naomi, maybe with somebody else. We'll see. Naomi's my glass fuser. She's my official glass fuser in the house.
Kinda. I don't even wear earrings.
Here, here's a sample of the rainbow. Check out this glass, people. This is so cool. There you go.
Will it look like that after it's in the cone?
Yeah, it's gonna look exactly like that. It's cool, right?
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna try mixing two colors together and see how that looks. How about, oh, you know what? Oh, I love this green.
Wait, how are you mixing them together?
I'm not. I'm using this green. Look how cool this green is. Change of plans. Here's more of the clear
Okay.
pieces if you need.
These are big earrings, though, so I might need bigger ones. Definitely gonna need bigger ones. Are you getting bigger ones now?
Cut whatever's gonna come out of
Why
this.
do you crack it like that?
Because I like to. It's fun. I like breaking stuff. And therefore, I do it like this. It is fun though. It is fun breaking it. Nothing more satisfying than breaking glass that you're allowed to break.
I think it's satisfying when when you cut it and you hear that cracking sound.
It is, yeah, something about it.
Hey, yours fell off.
Here is the completed tray ready to go in the kiln. We got some wasted space there, but that's okay. This is just our first run of these. We got some ones that we made into pendants, and Naomi's going to try to make whatever that thing is on the bottom there. Okay, so now we put the glass in the kiln, and it's going to fuse overnight, and we'll show you the finished product tomorrow. Thanks again for checking out the video. Tune in next time for our next glass fusing project. Hello everyone, Naomi and I are back with our fully fused earrings, and we're going to show you what they look like right now. Here's the pieces that are out of the kiln, and you can see how everything has now become a nice round shape. Even the ones that went in as triangles, this one and this one, have now rounded out. So now we're going to do the final step to make our earring, which is to attach these backs onto the pieces of glass, and then we'll show you the final picture in a minute. Here are some glued earrings. Naomi is busy gluing the backs on. And I just want to show you how pretty these came out. This is my blue ones that I made that Naomi doesn't like.
They're pretty, but you should just make one pair of them. You made like 5 pairs of them. Hi, thank you for watching this video. And you could like, subscribe, and comment down below on how you think the earrings came out. Bye!